welcome back to Tayi's Nail Room. How are all of you? I want to start by saying thank you everybody for the likes, the subscribes, the comments. And I come back at you with a quick video on how to use my sample sizing kits on my website for your custom press-on nails. And I just wanted to quickly show you the correct way to press them on and test out if the size is correct. And you just got to make sure you are fully covering the nail bed and the nail sits from sidewall to sidewall, be it from skin to skin, and there's no plastic tip overlapping on top of the skin. And you want to make sure there's not even empty space. You want to make sure the fit is correct. Yeah, so let me leave you guys watching this video. So we are now about to finish up sizing her up with her kit. We've done every finger on both hands. We've written down the numbers per finger accordingly to the size tip. Do not forget to go online and order your sizing kit, as you could order your custom press-on nails. Write down the sizes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.